So it's 7 AM. Wala pang araw. We're here in Seoul, Korea. So it's my first time. Pero si mother nakailang beses na.
It's my sixth time.
Oh, sixth time. So mas expert na siya here than me. It's been a long time coming Korea. Gulat nga ako ngayon lang ako nakapunta. So yung temperature is -6 degrees. So pero mamaya pa namin mararamdaman when we go out. Hello.
Say hi.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Meow meow.
Merry Christmas 주세요.
所有乘客请安全上车，下站是终点站，请所有乘客。
So kakatapos ng immigration, it was a good 1 hour. So baka dahil sa oras ng pagdating. Or baka it's just really a busy airport. Pero yeah, it took so long. So after a long time, nandito na tayo sa may arrival hall. Ganda ng airport. Very modern. Para siyang mall. So, yeah. Since tour kami, we're waiting for everyone. Halos 40 plus kami. So, yeah. Hinintay lang namin mag-complete. So, this is something new na hindi kami DIY. Tour kami as in group tour. We did that kasi alam namin na marami kasi kami, were like 12 people in a group. And para lang din mas madali kasi nga lalo na it's winter season, so baka masyadong mahirap to go around. So mas pinili namin para ano na lang, sakay baba. And everything is cared for. Oh, ito test daw namin yung coldness. Kinakabahan. Lamig. Oh, lamig! Diba? Hindi nga kita. Ayun. Nagbe-vape kami. Tsaka. Parang kaya naman eh. So morning to na may sun. So paano kapag gabi? Ayun. I think naka-experience ako ng ganito before when we were in Japan. Lamig. So palakad na kami towards the bus and boarding na kami.
Sila na maglalagay. Sila na maglalagay. Who want to wear the hanbok?
So we're on the way to this main Seoul city. So Incheon pala it's para an hour and a few more minutes travel time going to the main Seoul city.
Dami pa nun Pag gusto nyo yung side dish.
So we just got lunch here at Hanbok restaurant. So actually same building, dito din kami mag-order or mag-rent ng Hanbok. So it was 25,000 won per person. Tapos parang 1 hour of rent. Ganyan yung hanbok. So on the way to the Gyeongbokgung Palace, habang naka-rental. So 25k for 1 hour, I think more than enough na. Lalo na given this weather. Legit pa. So we're here sa may Gyeongbokgung Palace. So well known talaga yung place na to when it comes to doing reels ng mga nakahanbok. Look, ang dami nakahanbok. It's like we're in the Middle Ages or something. Oh yeah, grabe, sobrang lamig. I cannot.
I can't feel my fingers.
You can't feel our fingers. Mas maganda siyang complex. Pero like, pwede ka talaga dito pay your respects. So done now with the photo ops. Grabe, tiis ganda kasi sobrang lamig talaga. Parang ganda sa skin. Ang ganda pala ng views here, may mga mountains. Ganda ng park, right? Ganda ng park.
Yeah.
So dito talaga kailangan ko talaga ng intense na heat tech kasi wala na po akong maramdaman. Ang sakit na po ng face ko. Oh my god, ito ata yung pinakamalamig na. Kasi mahangin pa. Oh my gosh. Lamig talaga. So actually, ito yung complete look. Yan. So, boom. Ano ba tawag dito? Prince. Ganun. So ganito sa group tour, naghihintayan. Kasi you all have to be together, going from one place to another. Hello. So, okay, describing the cold for future reference. Hindi lang siya parang aircon, as in para kaming nasa freezer. Ganun yung feeling.
Nasa factory ng yelo.
Parang nasa factory kami ng yelo. Alam mo yung nasa 7-Eleven, nilalagyan na ng ice. Ganun.
We're inside a block of ice.
We're inside a block of ice. Yes, that's correct.
What's your
Grabe. Sabi ko, we're like in a block of ice.
Guys, double heat tech and bring gloves and scarf and ano pa ba?
Sabi tayo sa
Bonnet
travel.
and earmuffs. Lahat na balutin nyo ng face mask.
Yeah. So we're here sa may Bukchon traditional village. So, para kang transported back in time. So yung medyo pagka-traditional niya, I think it's because of the look of the road. Pero ang dami din mga stores, mga cafes, mga souvenir shops, which makes it a bit touristy. And I think cute din kasi yung place. Ano ba nangyari sa phone ko? So, all the while, akala ko like historical area siya, ganun. Ano pala siya? Mas residential place with traditional looking architecture. So very fascinating, very Instagram worthy, and I think I got some good pics naman. So share ko siya here. So as the day progresses, medyo nagiging bearable yung lamig. So yeah, kaya naman siya. You just have to mentally prepare yourself. And layers and layers and layers. I'll never shut up about it. So we're here sa may Namsan shuttle bus area to go to, gulat ako, going to the Namsan Enseoul Tower. So mas malamig pa daw doon kasi medyo mas mataas. I'm very scared. So let's see how it goes. So we're just waiting for another shuttle bus kasi yung mga public tour bus hindi daw siya pwede umakyat. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So nandito na tayo sa third stop of the first day. Enseoul Tower. Sobrang lamig, Mom. Lamig. Wow. Nature. Wait. So, para makaakit ka dun sa tower mismo, yan, you have to walk this road na paakyat. Yan. Road na paakyat. So medyo may konting hike. And yes, I feel like it's more challenging kapag sobrang lamig. Pero ang presko, but I cannot feel my face. So from afar, kala mo parang parang tower, parang ganun. But it's huge. Goes all the way up. Parang Menara in Kuala Lumpur. So siya, may Seoul Tower Plaza. So parang sa mini shopping center, parang ganun, makainan, may mga bentahan. So may opportunity ka pala to go up sa tower. So nagbebenta ng tickets doon. Yung tour namin wala siyang inclusion na gano'n. So we're just gonna chill here sa may baba. May isa pang attraction here similar dun sa Paris in the yung may mga locks. So may ganito din here. Mga love locks. I wonder ilang mga relasyon po ang nag-last sa paggaganito. So para siyang mga professions of love. So, ang daming bago, ang daming very rusted na. So medyo matagal na. And I think may trend na nag-iwan ng phone case. Sayang daw. Pero yeah, sobrang cute. Sana naman makabalik ako dito. Not just by myself. Char. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. So this is the view from the Enseoul Tower. Very nice. Hong Kong vibes. Oh, tara na guys. So very nice, very productive. Pero oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So time check 3:48. Call time 3:45. Buti nandito pa siya. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po. So our next stop is the COEX Star Field. Ewan ko ba? Basta yung COEX Library. Okay, time check. 5:25. And grabe. Nanginginig ako ng lamig. Tatawa kami.
Mukha na akong crab dito.
Ay, okay. Gano'n ba kalamig? Okay, naisip niyo. Ganito na po yung mami ko. So besides it being like a library, meron talaga siyang mall. Yan, mall. Mall area. So of course, it's located in Gangnam. So yun may pinakamahal na shopping district in all of Seoul. So let's see kung ano yung mga stores nila here. Actually, at first glance, anitso ko lang yung alam ko. Yung iba I think are local or wala sa Pilipinas. Mga ano to, Paris?
Anik-anik.
True.
Paris, ano to? Miffy.
Nabaliw, may Pop Mart na. I don't get it, guys. Wow! Something new, kakaiba. So while the kids were buying, ano binili niya?
Okay.
Pop.
Little Halls. I got a Hirono and a Nyota. And then Paris got. I got
Don't know
this.
what those are.
And this. And a Smiski. And yeah.
And I got coffee and some pastries. Wait lang, hindi ko pa papakita. Parang siyang walnut with cream cheese outside. Mostly manju nga. See that? So we're walking back to the meetup place ng tour, which is sa may sa library area ulit. So I'm just walking with the kids and my coffee kasi ang lamig and something hot. So first impressions of Korea, bilang it's my first day, it's my first time here. Winter is brutal. It's the coldest temperature I've ever experienced in my life so far, and people are generally nice. Well, I haven't gotten to speak to lots of mga store people, ganun. Pero I think pretty much the same as Japanese people when it comes to hospitality, ganun. That's what I think. Currency, medyo pricey din. I think pretty much like Japan also. Yeah. Pero napansin ko maraming sale. Baka that's just because of the season na winter. I'm not sure. But yeah, so far, enjoying. Ang brutal lang talaga ng weather, and I hope mas maging okay na siya in a few months. Or like now.
Later that same evening.
Hotel room tour. So yun nga, we're staying at the Migliore Hotel in Myeongdong. So it's directly in front of the famous Myeongdong Street. So yung amenities niya, we got a twin room. So it's me and my dad. So pagpasok mo, you get this bathroom with tub na may seat area pa. And then normal sink with hair dryer. Tapos yung shampoo and shower are provided already. Nasa ito, bidet, Japanese style. Siyempre, di ako marunong how to use that. Malaking mirror, twin beds, and yung switches niya, dipindot. And then, you have your telephone controller. Controlling the temperature, gusto mong alarm, do not disturb. And then you have this area, parang study, na may mga condiments, compliments of the hotel, mga ano ganun. And then itong closet space. And then sa fridge, very simple lang, complimentary water.